This is 1 year soaked dry fruits in rum.
Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. As you people know, the month of December comes up with two things. So first is Christmas and next is New Year. So I was just planning something like a cake tour. So finally I found it out someone who has their own cloud kitchen at house itself. Due to this pandemic, they didn't have any plans of making a cloud kitchen outside. So they made a plan of making it at house and serving in a different platforms like Swiggy, Zomato and Denso. So this place is in Hennur. So the organization or a company name, or you can call it as cloud kitchen name of as Puffy Clouds Cakes. So here is Deepa, she is an owner of this Puffy Cloud Cakes. So what type of flavors you have?
All type of fruit flavors I have.
Okay.
Then different types of chocolate. It's premium, and this usually I'm making two types of chocolate cake.
Okay.
One is premium and one is normal chocolate cake.
Okay.
In premium, I am using the that original chocolate itself.
Okay.
That is a little bit costly, but it tastes something like heaven. Yeah, that's
Okay.
what.
It's entirely different compared
Yeah,
to a
yeah,
normal cake.
definitely. Yeah. In I can tell some special in cheesecake. I'm doing some special cheesecake like this butterscotch cheesecake. Usually we are not getting in market is this butterscotch cheesecakes and all.
Okay.
And mango, then in strawberry, blueberry. So many cheesecakes are there. Then in Christmas time, I'm getting more orders in plum cakes, this carrot dates cakes, marble cakes. These are the specialty in Christmas time actually. Yes.
So in Christmas, which is the most selling cakes?
That is definitely plum cakes.
Okay.
My plum cakes, I'm using dry fruits almost, I think I am soaked in almost 1 year in rum.
Rum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then apart from rum cakes, I can provide wine cakes. Without rum also, plum cake I'm preparing.
You're preparing.
Yeah.
And you do have eggless cakes and.
Yeah, definitely. I can provide eggless cakes, sugarless cakes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So people who are diabetic, you can place an order here, madam. I'm gonna be mentioning her number in the description as well as her website. So you can definitely get sugar-free cakes also with different flavors. You name it and she has it. And the last and the final point, guys, she do has some of the customized cakes. So what is that? She's gonna be explaining about that cakes by herself.
Yeah, nowadays I'm more working in design cakes, so custom cakes, and wedding cakes also.
Okay.
In wedding cakes, I'm more doing sugar flowers. Sugar flowers, in the sense, whatever we are seeing in botanical garden, that flowers I'm doing that.
Okay.
And if you have any design, I think last week I got one order. They read in book some character.
Okay.
And they show me some example. I make that.
Okay.
Yeah. I like to do in this, like more in sugar art.
Okay.
Actually.
Sugar art.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sugar art in the sense in flowers and this fondant figures. Whatever I can see, I can make exactly, almost I can make it.
Okay. Guys, finally, let's not waste the time. She's preparing a cake for us. What kind of cake she's preparing for us? Let's go and check out.
Actually, it's a traditional recipe only for plum cake, but I can tell this is my recipe because I done so much improvement to this recipe. I am adding so many things from past. I think I'm doing research in this. I think 2-3 years.
Okay.
I'm adding some more items to the actual recipe. Now I can tell this is my recipe.
Okay.
It's something special I'm adding.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are there from how many years in this field, ma'am?
I think almost 12 years now.
12 years.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, initially I'm baking for my kids and
Family.
Family and
Then
friends.
you started baking
Yeah.
for customers. Okay.
Yeah, then I think my business is growing by reference only.
Okay.
This is 1 year soaked dry fruits in rum. Actually, it's a traditional recipe. We are using rum only. Nowadays, people are using with this instead of rum, orange juice.
The rum
Yeah.
flavor is like completely filled inside this kitchen. So I can see some cashews and I can see some cherries,
Yeah,
some
raisins.
almonds,
Yeah.
raisins also.
Yeah, raisins also.
So the aroma is so very strong, I feel. So this is like completely wet,
Yeah.
It's wet.
Yeah, it's soaked in rum.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every year you prepare for next 1 year.
Yeah.
You plan up.
I'm from January. I'm planning to put the next year.
Okay. So in case if the middle of the year, if this stuff gets over, again.
Usually, some of my customers is asking me to do that.
Okay.
Only that point of time I will do.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm not promoting in all.
Okay,
days.
okay. This is not the most selling dish. This is something like a very secret dish. You're gonna be giving only for your friends and family.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds great. So if anyone is really looking to have some rum cakes, then you can place order from her website or from her contact number.
This is 1 kg tin.
Okay.
It's ready to bake tin only.
Okay, this is like you get it outside.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
getting outside this one. This is almost 600 gram it will come.
So this is butter paper inside.
Yeah, butter
Oh,
paper.
okay.
Yeah, this is my gas oven. I'm using this gas oven because compared to electric OTG, this gas oven will maintain the moisture content of cake and it will give me a good texture. That's why I'm using more preferable in gas oven. Yeah, I think it's baking done. We can check it out.
It took like hardly half an hour.
Yeah, it's half an hour. Yeah.
Okay. So this is done.
Yeah, this is done.
Okay. It's really very hot and fresh also. So let's see. There is one more which has come out. Well, oh, amazing. Guys, one opportunity. Whoever is making like cloud kitchen or especially for cakes, whenever they want, they can make their birthday. They won't be having a particular day that on birthday day itself they need to cut and all. So for yourself, like monthly, how many times you prepare a cake, ma'am?
Daily at least 3 to 4.
For yourself?
Yeah, no, not for me.
For yourself, for
Yeah,
your family, personally.
For our family, we only get on birthdays and some occasions
Oh
my
my
mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
In
you.
average, 6 to 7 cakes she is preparing in a day
Daily.
Daily 6 to 7
Yeah.
for customers.
Yeah.
for customers.
So when it comes for personal, no.
No, only on birthday.
Okay.
Difficult, I think.
Guys, just look at this. There is a cherries and there are some raisins and some cashews also. The cake is really very hot. In a spoon of bite, at least I'll find some 2 to 3 black raisins, not a normal raisins. It's really very soft, guys, and the texture of this cake is amazing. The rum cake is quite dominating in this. And slightly you have used this blueberry serum also.
Yeah, not blueberry, blackcurrant.
Blackcurrant.
So I'm adding this blackcurrant jam. I'm adding little bit. Then orange marmalade is there.
Mm-hmm.
So in usual traditional recipe, it won't be there.
Okay, usual recipe it won't be
It
there.
won't be there.
Okay. Guys, especially after baking, these raisins are tasting amazing, guys. And the quality of the raisins are also really good because just look at the raisin size, how big it is. And she has cut the cashews and she has used it for this. On top, slightly it's hard, and after that the spoon just breaks this cake like anything. Usually I have never tried plum cake when it's hot, but today is the first time that I'm trying plum cake when it is hot. Actually, to be frank, this we have to rest it for some period of time, at least for a day or two. Then we have to taste. It will be even more good, it seems. But trust me guys, when it's hot, I'm tasting, it's tasting fantastic. But the thing is, it's breaking out. You can just see it's just breaking, but still taste amazing. There is no so much of sweetness as I thought. As I told you, the rum taste is quite dominating in this. Each and every bite, one cashew and at least 2 to 3 pieces of raisins I'm getting. When I crush that raisin, inside that whatever the rum has been soaked, that's giving the next level of taste, guys. Thank you for this. Guys, this is for my home. Taste of the cake was really good.
Thank you.
And it's still hot. See this, it's completely vapored. Guys, finally done with this cake review. The cakes was really amazing. I'm gonna be mentioning their price list as well as some of the details in the description. One thing guys, I personally liked, whatever you people are gonna be ordering from this website, you're gonna be getting like a fresh stuff. That's what I can say. Whatever it is, let her prepare at house or let her have her cloud kitchen, whatever it is. But cleanliness wise is amazing. You name it and she has it. Anyhow guys, I'm gonna be ending this vlog here itself. If anyone is looking out for cakes for Christmas or for birthdays or for New Year's or for weddings, you can definitely place order from them. If you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. If you people are still not following me on Instagram, do follow. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.